We will study about the single movable pulley. So first, what is your single movable pulley? Single movable pulley is not fixed with rigid spot. This is your rigid spot, and this pulley wheel is not fixed with a rigid spot. This pulley moves up and down when we apply the force. Second, load is attached with the pulley. So here load to be lifted attached to the pulley. Third, when rope is pulled upward by a distance d, in that case this load moves upward with a distance d by 2. So when rope is pulled upward by a distance d, the load moves up by a distance d by 2. So here in the balance condition, this is your downward force, load is the force, and this load acting downward, there is a tension in the rope. This is your tension. Second, this is your tension. At balance condition, this downward force is equal to upward force, this tension T and T. So at balance point, this load is equal to T plus T. L is equal to T plus T. That is, load is equal to 2 into T. Now first, here find the mechanical advantage. Find the mechanical advantage of movable pulley. So what is the mechanical advantage of movable pulley? The mechanical advantage is ratio of load upon effort. Mechanical advantage is equal to load upon effort, and here your effort is T. Your effort is T. In this figure, your effort is equal to T and load is equal to 2T. So therefore, load is equal to 2T and effort is T. Therefore, mechanical advantage in this case is 2. And this is your very important term, that mechanical advantage in case of single movable pulley is 2. Next, when mechanical advantage is 2, this pulley acts as a force multiplier. Mechanical advantage is equal to 2. So this, what is the mechanical advantage? Load upon effort. So this is your 2. So it means load is equal to 2 into effort. So therefore, due to this pulley act as a force multiplier. So single movable pulley act as a force multiplier. And here load double the applied force. This is your applied force. So here load double the applied force. So up to this, what is the mechanical advantage? Mechanical advantage in case of single movable pulley is 2, and here this movable pulley act as a force multiplier. क्यों एक्ट हो रही है force multiplier? क्योंकि जो applied force को क्या कर रहा है वो double. Next is velocity ratio. So next is velocity ratio. So what is the velocity ratio? Velocity ratio is the distance traveled by the effort. Velocity ratio is equal to distance traveled by the effort. Distance traveled by the effort upon distance traveled by load. Distance traveled by the load. Distance, if d is the distance traveled by effort, if d distance traveled by effort, in that case load move up डिस्टेंस d by 2. उस केस में जो लोड है वो कितना मूव करेगा? d by 2. पुट द वैल्यू velocity ratio distance traveled by effort, if distance traveled by effort is d, in that case load moves upward by a distance d by 2. So here what is the velocity ratio? Again velocity ratio is 2. So this is your velocity ratio for single movable pulley. Next is efficiency. What is the efficiency? So efficiency is equal to mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio. Mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio. So this is your efficiency. So what is the mechanical advantage for single movable pulley? For single movable pulley, mechanical advantage is 2 and velocity ratio is also equal to 2. So therefore in this case efficiency is equal to 1 or 100%. Clear? So this is your efficiency. So in case of single movable pulley is not fixed. This pulley moves up and down and load is attached at the center or with the pulley, at the center of the rope or attached with the pulley, and mechanical advantage in this case is 2. Then velocity ratio is also equal to 2. And what is the efficiency? Efficiency is equal to ratio of mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio, that is equal to 1. And this movable pulley act as a force multiplier. Okay students, thank you.